Cyanide, a single word that sends chills down the spine. Colorless, odorless, silent. It's one of the deadliest poisons known to humankind. But what makes this tiny chemical so dangerous? And how can something so small bring life to a halt in seconds? Cyanide isn't just one single chemical. It's a family of compounds that contain a carbon atom triple bonded to a nitrogen atom, the CN group. It appears in gases like hydrogen cyanide and solids such as sodium cyanide and potassium cyanide. Despite their small size, these compounds pack a deadly punch. Cyanide isn't just a laboratory chemical. It's surprisingly common in our world. Factories use it to make plastics, paper, and textiles. Gold mining depends on cyanide to extract the precious metal from rock. It's released during building fires, found in cigarette smoke, and even exists in nature, in small amounts, inside fruit pits like almonds, apricots, and apples. Don't worry, eating an apple won't poison you. Nature includes cyanide in such small bound forms that our bodies can safely break it down. But in higher doses, it's a different story. Our cells need oxygen to stay alive. Oxygen travels from our lungs into our blood and finally into our cells, where it helps create energy. Cyanide stops this process instantly. When cyanide enters the body, it binds to a key enzyme called cytochrome C oxidase inside the mitochondria, the cell's power plants. This enzyme normally helps cells use oxygen to make energy. But once cyanide attaches, oxygen can no longer be used. The result? The body suffocates from the inside out, even though the person is still breathing.
Hey, are you okay? What's going on? Someone get some help over here.
Exposure to cyanide can trigger symptoms within seconds. Victims may experience dizziness and weakness, shortness of breath, rapid heartbeat, nausea and vomiting seizures, loss of consciousness, and eventually death. High doses can cause cardiac arrest and respiratory failure in less than a minute. Cyanide has a dark history. During World War II, it was used in mass exterminations in Nazi gas chambers. Several spies and war criminals carried cyanide capsules to avoid capture. It's also appeared in crimes and suicides throughout modern history, from poisoned pills to contaminated foods. Even in small-scale accidents like chemical spills, cyanide has proven devastating to communities and the environment. When cyanide leaks into rivers or soil, it can kill fish, birds, and other wildlife instantly. In gold mining, accidental spills have caused massive ecological disasters, contaminating water sources and endangering local populations. Even trace amounts can disrupt aquatic life and destroy fragile ecosystems. Fortunately, science offers a few ways to fight back. If cyanide poisoning is suspected, speed is everything. Medical professionals use antidotes like hydroxycobalamin, a form of vitamin B12 that binds with cyanide to form a harmless compound called cyanocobalamin, safely excreted in urine. Other treatments include sodium nitrite and sodium thiosulfate, which help neutralize cyanide's deadly effects. But even with treatment, survival depends on how quickly help arrives. Prevention is the best protection. Workers in industries that use cyanide must follow strict safety procedures, wearing protective gear, ensuring proper ventilation, and maintaining emergency protocols. At home, it's important to avoid unregulated products or illegal gold extraction activities that use cyanide solutions. Cyanide is a paradox, both a useful industrial tool and a terrifying poison. It teaches us a powerful lesson. Chemistry itself isn't evil, but when used carelessly, even the smallest molecule can become a weapon. Understanding the dangers of cyanide helps us stay alert, informed, and safe. Because the more we know, the better we protect life.